How to fix NEKOPARA crashing on Steam. So first you want to click on your library and then right click on the game and then go to properties. Now you want to go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files and then wait for it to repair the game files. Now you want to click on browse and then right click on the game.exe and then go to properties, compatibility tab, and then disable full screen optimizations and run this program as admin. Check them. Now click on apply and OK. Now you can close this window and then you can try to launch the game again to see if that solves the issue. Now if you're still having the issue persisting, what you can do is open the menu and open your GPU application. So if you're using an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app. Then in NVIDIA, you want to go to drivers section and then click on this arrow to check for updates and make sure you download and install the latest GeForce Gamer driver. And once it's installed, you will need to reboot your computer and then basically try to launch the game again, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.